Yes.
Can you repeat the question again?
The meaning of fashion changes every time. What fashion means to you, Sonam and Katrina?
The meaning of fashion changes every time, so what fashion means to you?
Go for it. Honestly, there's fashion and then there's style. Fashion is about trends and it's about what's, now in vogue. But style is something which is timeless and classic. And yes, you're right, fashion keeps changing, but inherent style always remains. And so it's just about, anything that represents your style, and you kind of have to adapt fashion of any era to your style.
And what about Katrina? What's her view?
I was listening, sorry. What is my view? I think nobody better can answer that question than Sonam. I think she said the correct answer. I do believe that style is a little more personal, and fashion is something which can be dictated by, fashion editors, fashion magazines. And I think if you are very comfortable in that world and confident, then you should definitely experiment and try new things, and if you have good direction as well. And if not, I think if you're not a person who likes to experiment too much with fashion, I think that's okay also. As long as you're comfortable in your own skin, I think fashion should not ever overpower you. You should always dress for yourself first and then for other people.
I would just love to ask you, okay, you're doing very well at your professional level. When do we get to see you married? When is that day going to come? Because finally
she's going to get married after me. We've decided this. And
when is that going to happen?
We don't know yet.
Katrina, what's your answer for this?
I think that's an excellent suggestion. I should get married after Sonam, and I don't think Sonam knows yet as well. So I think neither of us know. Marriage should be special, and marriage, I think, should be magical. And you should just get married when you look at each other and you're 100% sure you never want to live without that person. And I hope that happens soon, and for me, and for you, and for Sonam, and for all of us, very soon.
Too young, man.
हम लोग उम्मीद करते हैं कि इस साल कैटरीना आपकी शादी हो सकती है।
मैं सोच रहा था आप पूछेंगे शादी पे मैट लगा रहे।
Didn't hear the question.
इस साल आपकी शादी हो सकती है कैटरीना? खबरें आ रही हैं इस बार रणबीर भी रेडी हैं।
See, everything is possible. हो सकती है is a very generic. I mean, anything is always possible. But I don't have any plans yet, so I can't share the plans with you. But if I do, and when I do have the plans, I promise you, I will tell you. That's my promise.
मालदीव्स के वेकेशन पे आप गई थी, आप वहाँ से आ भी गई जल्दी। कुछ खास वजह कि आप इतने जल्दी वहाँ से आ गई? लॉरियल ने आपको बुला लिया?
Manashi's fault. All Manashi's fault. She called me. I had to come back. All the way back on the plane, I was only thinking about Manashi. See her face. But it was a very important event. This is something I think was really special, the thought of what has been done today. Basically, I think Cannes is something which always seems very out of reach, probably, for most people. And someone like L'Oreal today has given an opportunity for girls from all over the country to just experience and feel like for a day what it's like to walk a red carpet. Obviously, this is not, a movie premiere, but just the chance to be able to see what it's like, I think, is something which is really special. And the girls seemed really happy, and it was very nice for us, I think, to be able to meet them and interact with them as well.
All right. मैं यहाँ इतना उम्मीद लेके आया था कि कतरीना और सोनम से अपने स्किन के बारे में
उम्मीद लेके आए हैं सर कि अब कटरीना के आंसर्स मिलेंगे.
Actually, we'll just quickly, I'll address your question. It's not been delayed. The release of Jaga Jasoos will be this year end. This is the first time the release date has been announced, so that's not been delayed. But Phantom, which was my movie with Kabir Khan, that was delayed by 2 months. So now that releases in August.
Can I ask Sonam and Katrina? There are repetitive...
And then there's L'Oreal Paris.
And some tips. Come on, be nice. Give us some tips. Both of you, Katrina and Sonam.
I think 4 liters of water a day is the first step.
Okay.
And then the second thing is, it's very logical, is diet. If it looks oily and fried and, deep fried, just Does it look like it's gonna help your skin? Does it really? If it doesn't, then, you know, honestly, you gotta avoid it most of the time. Try avoiding it 5 days a week, 2 days a week, eat what you want. 5 days a week, make sure you eat clean and healthy.
Okay. Is matte and